Hi everybody, this is a twin flame transmission. It's relevant at any time, but it's recorded on the 7th of December 2021. We have come together to embody the vibration of unconditional love for each twin and to assist others in the opening of their hearts. This felt like it landed very strongly the last couple of days, just following the solar eclipse. So it feels like this has become more available to twin couples, is to really come together in the physical and in the 5D for your souls are always working together, but really strongly working together at the moment. In the vibration of unconditional love for each other, as in these times it really opens the hearts of others. You're anchoring a higher template of love and unconditional love and relating, and in doing that you are affecting and transmuting all the old outworn templates of relating based on lower levels of consciousness. Atatititititakatakatakato, atatitititititititititakatakatoko, akatititititakatakakako, akatititititakatakakatoko, atatitatakototokotoko, atatitititititakatakatoko, atatitititakatakatoko, akatitititititaka. Akatititi takatakatakatakatatatato, atatititi tatakatakatata, atatititi tatakatakatakatatotokotoko, atatititi tatakatotototokotokotokotokotokotokotokotoko, atatititi tatakatakatakatatatatatatotokotokoto, atatiti tatakatatokotokotokotokotokotokotokotoko. Really feeling the heart opening and the soul seat, which is just near the thymus there in the mid-chest, between the heart and the throat, activating. I can really feel the coming together, the touching together there. And of course, if your bodies are touching together there, then your lips are touching together, your foreheads are touching together. There's a real unity, a real oneness, a real togetherness. Can't find the words. A beingness, a presence, a joint venture, a joint mission, a joint commitment. A joint commitment to anchoring this unconditional divine love and the higher love templates, interrelating into this plane of existence and raising the consciousness, raising the vibration of the planet. And I can feel the planet raise in vibration around that anchoring. So there are two cards that have come out in support of that process. So the first one is like instruction on how you in your individual self can consciously help support that anchoring of that unconditional love for each twin. And it is by healing your heart first. Your inner beauty is expressed in how you treat yourself, your twin, and others. I'm feeling that clearing right down the spinal column, down through the like the higher chakras above your head. It's like stars coming in, clearing all the way down your spine, especially the back of your heart, clearing back lifetimes and dimensions of cords and heart traumas. I'm feeling the throat there as well, clearing with that. And then from there, another card, compassion. This is the result of what happens as you anchor this unconditional love together. Unconditional love is the greatest gift of compassion that can be given by each twin, as both evolve to the many challenges of self-growth that lie ahead. So that first one was about how you anchor that unconditional love for your twin is by healing your own heart and treating yourself with unconditional love. And then this one is how anchoring that love together, the compassion that you have for your twin and from your twin as a result of that, brings up a lot of challenges and self-growth as that high vibrational love comes in and transmutes out. It shines its light on the shadow, brings them up for clearing. So it's a process of raising the vibration of the planet through embodying that love and clearing out anything of lower vibration within yourself, any ways that you don't have self-love, love for others, or compassion for self or compassion for others. And this is reflected directly through your twin as a mirror. And ultimately grows and expands you both and the planet. Feel it clearing through the solar plexus layer now, which is where things are not going your way, you're facing challenges, things in reality don't match your ideas or desires. Activating your throat to express your truth. And then I'm feeling the win-win situations, and with that passion flows through. Feeling the base chakra clearing now. So that's like survival level. When you're got issues at survival level, that's, flow in income, roof overhead, food in mouth. If you're existing at survival level, relationships are harder because your focus is at survival level. It's like the base of the pyramid. So there is some clearing out of that base of the pyramid, so that the creativity, the love, the friendships, the joy, all the higher vibrational emotions and ways of being, and the abundance matrix can drop in, because we're clearing that survival level, we're clearing that lack, we're clearing those blockages at that very base level, foundational level, clearing up the foundations. Akati takata, akati tatakata, tatakatoko, tututututoko, tatakata. Feeling the cords out the back of the solar plexus, so that's where things have not gone your way, where you've been thwarted, where you've been blocked, where you've been restricted or limited. Feeling those dropping away from past lives or past ancestral memory, or even past experiences in this life. Itititi ta ta toko toko to 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 ta 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 ta. Lower back strengthening. Akatako toko to to. Akatatata toko to 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 to. Legs getting solid. I can feel it. Strengthening from the higher vibrations coming in through the legs and into the earth. Akato. Akatata takato totoko tata tata katata. There's really expansion out the back of the spine, like the past is cleared, the past restrictions, the past lower vibrational experiences and challenges being cleared out by unconditional love, compassion. Itatapo tototo tatatatata tatatata ko to 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 to. Very strong vibration of love and compassion and kindness coming through and creating like its own force field, which is not separate. It's not separating you from others, but your expansion expands others in the same way a smile is contagious. Okay, so that's it. So listen as many times as you need to. It goes a level deeper every time. Make sure you listen to your body and your feelings, things that come up. Allow them to move out. There's likely to be anything that is in the way of unity, divine love, unconditional love, self-love and compassion. Blessings, everybody.